Welcome to the streets of Nazareth. Our destination today is the Daher Guest House, tucked away in the heart of Nazareth's old city. Finding it, however, proves to be an adventure in itself, as we wind through some of the steepest, narrowest streets we've ever driven. It's a city built on the hills. Nazareth isn't laid out on a flat plain. It climbs the sides of a series of hills. Long before automobiles existed,
no wonder they said no good thing comes out of Nazareth.
These winding lanes were designed for people on foot and pack animals, making modern navigation an exercise in patience. The wrong way again. There are few obvious street signs, and one-way streets often announce themselves only when a frustrated motorcyclist comes toward you with a disapproving expression. Sometimes the only solution is to back carefully down a lane too narrow to even turn around.
No wonder Jesus left.
No wonder Jesus left, Nicholas said.
Why does Nazareth look this way? The old city grew gradually over nearly 2,000 years, with homes built wherever space could be found. Rather than following a master plan, streets simply evolved, creating the maze we see today. Finally, we find Daher Guest House. At last we arrive at the Daher Guest House, a beautifully restored home hidden among the ancient stone buildings. It is named for Daher el-Omar, the great-grandfather of the current owner, and one of the most remarkable figures in the history of Galilee. Who was Daher el-Omar? He was an 18th century Arab Bedouin ruler who governed much of northern Palestine under the Ottoman Empire. He transformed the region through trade and construction, founded modern Haifa, strengthened Acre, and remains an admired historical figure among many Palestinians. A Christian legacy hidden in the name. What surprised us most was discovering that Daher's legacy is not limited to politics and commerce. During his rule over Galilee, he granted control of the ancient site of Mary's Well and the Church of the Annunciation to the local Arab Orthodox Christian community. In an earlier video, we visited the Orthodox Church of the Annunciation, also known as St. Gabriel's Church, because of the Archangel Gabriel, who announced to the Virgin Mary that she was going to bear the Son of God. This is where Mary's Well is, built over the spring traditionally identified as Mary's Well. In 1750, under Dahire's protection, the Arab Christian community constructed the beautiful church that still stands over the sacred site today. Climbing into a different world. After carrying our luggage up several flights of narrow tiled stairs, we entered a guest house unlike any we'd ever seen. The rooms were painted a brilliant turquoise, creating a peaceful contrast to the rugged stone streets below. A rooftop above ancient Nazareth. The reward came at the very top, an open terrace overlooking the rooftops of one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities. Our gracious host welcomed us with fresh hummus and warm pita bread and strong coffee as evening settled over Nazareth. The soundtrack of the Holy Land. As daylight faded, the voices of several muezzins rose from different mosques across the city, each calling the faithful to prayer. Here's several different green ones. There's the Church of the Annunciation. Their overlapping chants echoed through the valleys and hills, reminding us that Nazareth remains a living city where Jews, Christians, and Muslims have shared this landscape for centuries. From chaos to calm. Our day began with confusion, wrong turns, and white-knuckle driving through impossible streets. It ended in quiet reflection high above the old city, where history, hospitality, and the evening calls to prayer blended into one unforgettable memory of Nazareth.